Dear student, welcome to the Business Studies class, Part 7, Causes of Business Risks. First one, natural causes. Human beings have no control over nature. Many business risks arises due to natural events like flood, drought, earthquake, and so on. Next one, human causes. Human factors is the most important cause of loss in business. It consists of theft, negligence, strike, lockout, defective management policies, and decision, etc. Next, economic causes. Economic causes are related with the time and place of business activities. Trade cycle, competition from other firms, sudden fall in demand, instruction of substitute, price fluctuation are example of economic causes. Physical causes. Technical changes or mechanical defect may also affect working of the asset business. For example, an explosion in boiler may cause destruction of equipment and injuries to human beings. Next, political causes. Government policy changes due to the changes in political system and ideology. This may cause heavy loss to a businessman. Management causes. Lack of proper planning and control and pure management decision about the use of capital may result in heavy loss of income. Next, minimization of risk. Minimization of risk. First one, planning, forecasting and budgeting. Business risk can be minimized by a proper system of planning, forecasting and budgeting. Next one, effective control system. Risk on account of misappropriation, misrepresentation can be guarded by proper accounting and auditing. Next one, safety measures. Risk on account of accident and breakdown of machinery can be minimized by observing safety measures. Next one, appointments of middleman. Risk on account of fall in demand can be minimized by a manufacturer through the appointment of wholesaler and by wholesaler through the appointment of retailers for the goods. Last one, insurance. Business risk such as fire, burglary, loss of profit, workman's compensation, etc. can be secured by taking out various insurance policies in respect of various risks. This part has completed.